Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new haul video. So today I'll be doing a Kama Ayurveda haul. I got Kama Ayurveda products all from Nykaa. Well, Kama has their own website, I guess, but I got all these products from Nykaa and I'm about to show you what all I got. Before moving on, I want to appreciate my look that I have created. At least I have managed to create this look, this I don't know, wet makeup look, and I'm pretty satisfied with this look. Like, just try to appreciate this look. I mean, you don't need to really judge my makeup skill on this because I'm not a pro at all. Let me know in the comment section if this look suits me, or I'm looking good on this. So yeah, you know the drill. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe and hit the red bell button right next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. So anyways, let's just get into the video. So the first thing that I got from Kama is this rose water. This was for rupees, I guess, 1150 or something. I know the price of these products are a little expensive, but trust me, the products are really worth the money. So I really want to try out these Kama Ayurveda products only because of my wedding. Like, these are my pre-wedding ritual. Like, obviously you have to do something extra to glow on your wedding day, like on your D-Day, and I'm super excited for the day, and I don't know how my skin will look, but I'm definitely sure that with Kama products I'll definitely see some good results. So I'll be doing a review for you guys, obviously after 2 months, because these products are Ayurvedic products and they take some time to absorb into your skin and work efficiently. Yeah, reviews coming very soon, stay tuned for that. So this is the first thing, the Kama Ayurveda rose water, and it is a 200 ml product in case you want to know. Okay, so the next thing I got from Kama is this extra virgin organic coconut oil. So this was priced at rupees 725. All these products have smaller version of them. If you want to try, you can obviously try the smaller ones. So here's the oil, the cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil. The reason that I've got this, because my hair lately like, they seem to be really damaged. I don't know, maybe it's the lack of nutrition. So this is the reason I got this oil, because it's full of nutrition. Like, coconut oil is obviously good for your hair and skin as well. So this is a 200 ml product again, and I have already mentioned the price. And these products are actually very effective. I have seen reviews, so I don't really need to mention each and every time. So Kama doesn't really give you a good amount of discount. Actually, it doesn't give discounts at all, but it does give you free samples. So I got some really amazing free samples with each products. So with the oil, I received this potli. This is a jute bag, and inside this bag I got 2-3 items, I guess. So I got this Kumkumadi brightening Ayurvedic face scrub. Then I got this rejuvenating and brightening Ayurvedic night cream, and then I got this Jwalani retexturizing skin treatment. The fourth product that I received with the thing is, oh, this is a pure rose water. This is a glass bottle, I guess. Oh my god, this is just 8 ml product. This looks so good. This is an 8 ml product and it costs 100 rupees. Well, these are some really expensive shit. Pardon the language. Okay. The next thing that I received is another potli, And actually these potlis are very handy whenever you are going outside or traveling. These potlis can be really handy. Also the products, oh my god, the products are super cute, and the tiny little packaging makes it even convenient to, you know, travel around and everything. So inside this potli I also received 4 items. Neem Tulsi Tea Tree Body Scrub. Wow, this is a new thing. Again a Jwalani retexturizing oil, the night cream and the scrub again, and also a cute little rose. My hair is actually all dried up now, so no more wet look. Back to the normal basic look. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this Nalpa Maradi. I can't really pronounce it, but Nalpa Maradi Thailam skin brightening treatment, and it looks like this. This is actually very good for you know, having a glowy skin, and this I'm gonna use on my body and my face as well. I don't know, maybe I'll just figure it out. Like, I've got a lot of products, so I don't know how to apply all the products on my face. So anyways, this is the product, and it smells like raw turmeric, and it actually is a bit yellowish. Yeah, definitely. So be careful while applying this oil on your body or on your skin. Okay, so the next product I got is this Kumkumadi Thailam Miraculous Beauty Fluid, and this was for rupees 845. It's crazy. Like, honestly, it's crazy, because I'll tell you how much quantity you get. Yeah, the product quantity is only 3 ml. Like, are you kidding me? Seriously, are you kidding me, Kama Ayurveda? Like, what is this? I got so many good reviews on this product, like, and I couldn't resist myself, but I really bought this. Anyways, let's see if it really works or not, because if it doesn't work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Weird. Look at the dropper, by the way, it's so tiny. So the next thing, actually this is the final thing that I got from Kama Ayurveda. This is the most expensive thing I bought. This is the night cream, Kama Ayurveda Rejuvenating and Brightening Ayurvedic Night Cream, and it is a 50 grams product. So it was for rupees 2350. I really wanted to try all Ayurvedic products, especially Kama Ayurveda products, because since the rose water actually has worked on my skin beautifully. The rose water I've been using for 2 years now. It actually has improved my skin texture. So I thought that the other products from Kama Ayurveda will actually do wonders to my skin. I don't know, let's not get over dramatic there, but yeah, this is the night cream that I got. Oh my god, this also smells like turmeric, and this is also yellowish, but I'm sure it doesn't stain your skin or your clothes. Yes, it doesn't stain. So this actually feels very hydrating and very moisturizing, and it's not actually very heavy on the skin. It is actually very light. It feels like it is very smooth, very buttery. I have put it on my wrist here, and I could instantly feel the texture. It is very velvety. So along with this night cream, I received another hamper. This is the hamper from Kama Ayurveda, and it looks so gorgeous. Like, look at this. I instantly fell in love with this hamper, because oh my god, it looks so royal, so classy, and beautiful. Oh my god, this looks so classy. It has all these products inside. Like, I've got 5 things The first product is this Neem Tulsi Tea Tree Body Scrub, again like the previous one. Again the Neem Tulsi Tea Tree Body Scrub. Okay, two scrub. I received two scrub. This is the Rose and Jasmine Body Moisturizer. And also a Rose and Jasmine body cleanser. So I've got a body moisturizer and a body wash, so that actually is very good, I think. And last but not the least, I've received another rose water. So I've got so many rose waters here. So anyway, this is the hamper, and I'm so happy that I got this hamper because it looks so royal, so beautiful. I'm just waiting to use all these products on me, but obviously I will be using these products on my travel days. This was my Kama Ayurveda haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos and hauls like this. So that's about it. I'll be back with another video very soon, so stay tuned on my channel.